Hello, let's get some quick marks early on in a foundation calculator exam paper. So we're going to start here. Write the number 28,497, correct, to the nearest thousand. So we're rounding. And to the nearest thousand means I'm looking at, there's the thousands. So we look at the hundreds and see, is that bigger or smaller than 5? That's smaller than 500, so it's closer to 28,000 than it is to 29,000. So we'll say that's 28,000, or that's really close to the tipping point, the halfway. Okay, again, it's just 1 mark, so aiming for a mark a minute, trying to get those quick wins, early marks, early on in the paper. We'll get through 6 questions in this video. Okay, question 2, write the following number in order of size. Start with the smallest number. Now, often students get confused between something that looks like 167 being bigger than 3, and it's not that at all. After the decimal place, we don't have those. So what I like to do is put in these placeholders so they all have the same number of decimal places, and then you can compare them as you would imagine if it was 600. So I'm going to say the smallest number there is going to be 0.04. Okay, so I've used that one, I'll cross that one off. The next smallest would be 0.167. Then it would be 0.3. And if you wanted to make sure that that makes sense, look at those zeros to see almost is 300 bigger than 167, then 0.52, then 0.6. Okay, so I've put in those placeholders. You don't need to have them, but it's just to explain it for this video. And that's another mark. Okay, now write 0.327 as a fraction. Remember, this is tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So 327 over 1,000. I don't think they have any common factors, so I don't think I can simplify. They haven't asked us to leave it in a simplified form, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I think they're just really comparing to see if you understand your place value as well as your fractions. So that should be another mark there. Okay, work out 1/5 of 930. So this is fractions of amounts. So what I have to do is 930 divided by 5. It is a calculator paper, so I can write 930 and divide it by 5, and it gives me 186. So 186 is 1/5 of that. And if I times that, I'd see 930. I could use the calculator to even compare the previous one, 0.327. There you go. That button changes between fraction and decimal. Okay, that's another mark. By now, we should have got 4 marks in 4 minutes. Question 5, here is a polygon. Write down the name of this polygon. So let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 8 sides, so it's an octagon. Octo, like an octopus, is 8. Hexagon would be 6, and so forth. Question 6, find the square root of 46.24. Here I'm going to have to use my calculator because I don't know that one. So I'll find the square root button, that's there, depending on your calculator, and then write 46.24. And again, it's given me in the fraction, but I'll change that, 6.8. So I write 6.8 there. Does that make sense? Well, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49. So yeah, 6.8 is closer to 7, so 46.24 is closer to 49. That does make sense, I'm happy with that. So that should give us another mark. Then here is a list of numbers, 3, 5, 9, 16, 25, 84, and 125. Kierat is asked to choose a cube number. 5 cubed is 125, so 5 is a cube number. Kierat is wrong, and explain why. Well, 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So 125 is the cube number. The answer there. 5 is the cube root of 125. So 5 is the cube root, 125 is the cube, or something to that effect to understand, to show that you understand the difference between those two. Okay, quick recap. We've done some rounding, we've done some ordering and place value. We've done some fractions, also understanding place value. We've done fraction of amount. We've done some shape. We've done some square roots and some cubes. Okay, that should give us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks actually in under 7 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.